Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this leading marketing platform, which is Demandbase. So let's really dive into it. Demandbase is a leading account-based marketing platform designed for B2B companies looking to target high-volume account. Its key features include the AI-powered account intelligence, instant data tracking, personalized advertising, and CRM integration. So talking about the pros include the precise targeting, strong data insight, and seamless alignment between marketing and sales teams. On the downside, database can be expensive for smaller business, and the setup may be complex for team without dedicated resources. Some user notes the occasional data inaccuracy and a steep learning curve for advanced features. So, in my opinion, I think Demandbase is best suited for mid to large B2B companies seeking a comprehensive ABM solution. For smaller teams may find it overwhelming and costly. And that's it.